Oh my god, the cat is on fire. Holy sh...
Ew, ew.
Lulu.
Dude. Okay, I got it. That's how you stay. Ow! Self-control, please. Can you move? Stop. A mess.
You're not very nice.
Meow. It's a second I get it.
Spider! Spider! Where's the spider?
Meow. Meow.
Ouch. Ouch.
Hey.
How dare you? What is wrong with that cat?
My boy.
You're gonna hurt yourself. Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Ready?
Birds. Hey.
You wanna play?
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh!
Continue selling his oil and gas.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm going to kick the shit out of you.
Excuse me? Bear. Bear, no. Leo, no. Oh my god.
on.
President who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining.
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
No! No!
Come here, guy. Buddy.
Why? Holy Excuse me?
It's not that serious.
There to guard the fleet overnight in the event there was anything other than
You fucker.
Oh God!
Said you coming out?
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Ow!
Yeah. I feel you.
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him.
Oh my God!
Kitty, are you dead? What are you doing?
Oh my. Don't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you.
Oh no!
But to see him laugh about it cool, and I just thought it was
Come on.
Look.
Come on, my boy. Whoa.
This on a poster. You know how like a lot of words. Like
His tail. Oh. You good?
Don't do that.
Oh my god!
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Control, please.
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
No. Lo clavó.
1, 2, 3. Make your face go. Oh!
Ew, ew.
Get off me. Go.
Tiga. Cipi, cipi, capa, capa, dubi, dubi, daba, daba, cipi.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.